transforming yourself into a millionaire. This is a hard concept for people to grasp, but you don't just become a millionaire out of nowhere. You really have to acquire new skill sets and new disciplines to become the person you want to be. When I talk about this, like the person who, I'd say the majority of anybody who is not within my inner circle, who they knew is dead. Over the last, let's say 4 years, I would say I've had a metamorphosis, and then over the next 4 years, it is going to change again. I was talking on the phone with a guy who I haven't talked to since college. It's like, bro, the person you knew is dead. Everything I've had to go through, everything I've done, I've had to create a brand new person in order to get where I'm at. It is not a bad thing to change, right? Changing mentally, physically, I've had to grow so much in order to get where I'm at. $1 million businesses, 6-figure businesses, and whatnot. But now I know I have to do more, and I need to change more. I need to develop myself more if I want to hit the next level, right? Because in all honesty, I am not as gifted as, let's say, the dudes who were making making $1 million, 18, 15. Those dudes are real. I'm just not that gifted, so I need to be able to work hard on my skill sets in order to create that new reality. It just doesn't just happen because you're just it's there and then you work and then, oh yeah, I did it. Not at all. Not whatsoever.